So I've just checked with the PNR number at the counter. The flight has changed. They say that the counter for the VietJet opens at 5:40, and on the list also we cannot find our flight.
I think you apply. Only apply.
Yes.
It says 6 to
5.
5. Yeah.
Okay.
But we get air open counter 5:40.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is 17th of January and today is the day we'll be leaving Da Nang and going to Ho Chi Minh City. We have our flights at 7 in the morning and right now it's almost 4 at the clock. We'll be packing our bags and taking a shower before leaving, and we'll book a Grab from here which will cost us almost around 1 lakh Vietnamese dong. That's around 350 Indian rupees, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes time to reach the Da Nang International Airport from the Mai Kai beach area. So let's go. And it was a brilliant experience here at Da Nang. I am so much in love with this beautiful city that I promise I will be visiting this place again in the near future. And when you are coming to Da Nang, don't miss Hoi An, because according to me that is the most partied place here in this country. I have already made some dedicated videos on Da Nang and Hoi An. You can always check that out in my channel. It's on the playlist of Da Nang and Hoi An. So right now it's time for us to pack our bags and check out from the hotel. So stay with us. So we have reached the Da Nang International Airport, and this is the domestic terminal. Right on the left hand side over there is the international terminal. If you are coming from outside this country, then you will be dropped at that part, and if you are coming from Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City, then you will be dropped here. Actually not here, but you will be actually getting out from right over there. There is a gate also. So let's go and finish off the check-in process. So we have our flights with VietJet Air, and this is where we are going to check in. We have our flights at 7:05 and it's already 5:20 at the clock, and you can see the counters are still closed.
I think you apply. Only apply.
Yes.
It says 6 to
5.
5. Yeah.
Okay.
But we get air open counter 5:40.
5:40 is the
Yeah.
opening time of the counter.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to counter 23. You contact staff with jet.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome for you.
So I've just had a talk with the guy from Vietnam Airlines. They say that the counter for the VietJet opens at 5:40, and on the list also we cannot find our flight. Our flight number is VJ623, but there is no flight on that number. They have a flight of VJ625 to Ho Chi Minh City, and that is on 9:20. And the flight timing we had is 7:05. So I don't know whether the flight has been cancelled or postponed, or they've changed the flight. We don't get any details, because once we tried to check in through the website, they don't actually give proper information on what to place where for the checking. So it was not possible for us to do the checking. So this is actually a horrible experience here. Let's see what happens. We'll have to wait till 5:40, almost 20-25 minutes time more to get an answer on this. We have also put up our mail IDs for any updates that they give. They could have mailed us also. I don't know. I've just checked my mail. There ain't any mail also. This is very poor service from VietJet Airways. You are working as a domestic airlines here, but you should definitely consider the thoughts of the persons or the people who are also traveling, because this is something which actually hampers the reputation of the airlines, not only the airlines but also the country. So right over here there is a machine from VietJet Air where we can actually check the flight details and all by updating the PNR number. So let me just check on this. So I've just checked with the PNR number at the counter. The flight has changed. The flight actually was VJ623, which has been changed to VJ625, and the timing has also changed. Our flight was at 7 in the morning and it's actually been shifted to 9:20. So we have to wait here for more than 2 hours, actually 2.5 hours. But this is something I would say they should have informed us by a mail or something, which they didn't. And it's very tough for us to actually always search for the PNR number when there are some language barriers and there are some issues with reservation codes and all, etc., which I've just checked onto yesterday. I don't know, like maybe it was our glitch or maybe it's like their problem, I don't know. But what we are facing here is our problem, and definitely I would like to share that this kind of experiences, I know it happens all over, but trust me, it should not. They should actually mail you or at least give you some information regarding the change of the flight timings. If we have got that, then we would have definitely came late. We would have taken a few hours more to explore the beautiful city of Da Nang. So this is something which I feel is a drawback from VietJet. I've heard a lot. The flight from Hanoi to Da Nang was not like this, but right over here this is something which is very bad. And that's because we are going to Ho Chi Minh City and we'll be exploring the city today itself. We are not staying there for a day or two, so our schedule will actually change. So it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing for us, and also for the person, the people who are traveling along with us.
Get ticket number 1, please. Go straight and turn right.
Okay. So we have just collected the boarding passes here at the check-in counter, and the flight has been delayed by more than 2 hours 20 minutes. It's almost 6 at the clock right now. So as you can understand, we have to wait for more than 3 hours right now. So we are on our way towards the domestic departure lounge, and you can see there is a very big queue at this place. I don't know why they haven't opened another counter. There is only one counter which is operating here. So it's 8:10 at the clock and we have finished off with the customs checking here at the Da Nang airport. Right now we will be going towards the gate for the boarding. For us it's gate number 1 and my seat number is 21A. Luckily I've got a window seat where I can get some good views to shoot for you guys. So as you can see, gates 1 to 3 are down there, so we'll be taking, you have the lift also, but we are taking the escalator here. So this is the area where we will be actually waiting for the gates to open, and then we will be completing our boarding procedure here at the Da Nang International Airport. Thank you. So it's 9:15 at the clock and we are just going to board inside the flight. This is a 1 hour 20 minutes flight from here to Ho Chi Minh City. So come on, let's explore a new city. Thank you. So as I've said, come on, let's explore a new city, and let me just show you where we are actually sitting. Inside the Tan Son Nhat Airport, which is the Ho Chi Minh Airport here in Vietnam. And as I've already told you, the flight was delayed by 2.5 hours, and it took us 1 hour 25 minutes time to reach. First of all, we are going to collect our luggage and then go to our location, which is the Bien Nguyen Walking Street area. We'll be booking a Grab and going there. It will take us 15-20 minutes time. So just near the gate of the domestic terminal, you can see this is the luggage collection area, and on the TV you can see your flight details along with the timing when the luggage will be actually distributed. Okay. Hello. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we have reached the Bue Vien Walking Street area, as you can see it on the back side, and this is the place where we will going to be taking a hotel. So I hope the video was informative. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. See you all again in the next video at the Ho Chi Minh City.